Hi there. My name is Teacher Jerry, a licensed professional teacher from the Philippines. I hold a bachelor's degree in education, major in science, and a TEFL certified teacher, which means I am qualified to teach English. I have been teaching since 2019 to kids and adults to different nationalities. My teaching styles are student centered, interactive, and communicative. I am dedicated in creating an inclusive learning environment where my students feel motivated at all times. Join my class and get ready to have fun and learn new things with me.